Let's prepare some perfectly roasted plantain with curry leaves and spices. So for this recipe, we'll use 2 raw bananas. Peel the skin using a scraper and cut the edges. We'll chop the bananas into cubes like this. Well, if this is the first time you're here, I welcome you and also invite you to check the recipes posted on my page. If you do like my videos, then please do hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe. Moving on to the recipe, once we're done chopping, we'll wash the cubes and soak them in water and keep this aside. Now into a pan with 2 tablespoons of heated oil, we'll add 3/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds followed by 5 to 6 curry leaves, 2 teaspoons of urad dal, a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera and fry them till we get a nice aroma. Next we'll add in a pinch of asafoetida or hing and mix it well with the other ingredients. Now let's lower the heat and add a tablespoon of bafat powder or sambar powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of salt and chilli powder. We will stir this well on low heat and make sure not to burn them. Now it's time for us to add the banana cubes that we had kept aside for soaking. Turn up the heat to a medium. Mix them and let it be coated well with the masala. The next step is to sprinkle some water over the bananas. We'll sprinkle a generous amount of water. This is done so that the masala doesn't burn while cooking. Mix it once, then close the lid. Let the bananas cook for 5 minutes. Once done, we will remove the lid and give this a quick stir. Then, let's add in a teaspoon of sugar and mix it. Adding sugar helps retain the color and makes bananas crispy. Before you close the lid again, check the taste and add more salt if required. Let's cook this for another 5 to 7 minutes or till the bananas are slightly roasted. Remove the lid and stir it one last time and then turn off the flame and your dish is ready to be served. Enjoy!